and there are significant transformation steps taken by Government of India. So we'll go through some of those. We know UPI for sure, but there are a slew of others. Okay, followed by understanding what, in my opinion or in my mind, is the catalyst for next wave of transformation, which is 5G. So we'll go through some of the details of this, followed by 2 case studies on IoT published by NESCOM. So let's start. The way I understand digital transformation and the way we see it in our organization, basically it's implementation of a technology where we re-engineer the business processes so that we add value to all the stakeholders. Internal stakeholders, external stakeholders. When I talk of external stakeholders, it would be our customers. When I talk of internal stakeholders, it would be our employees, which actually means we do implement a technology that does change the business process, which is going to positively impact and add value to my employees and to my end customers both. It cannot be one or the other, it has to be both. Okay. Now some of the myths around digital transformation, I heard both the esteemed speakers here. Okay. One thing was replacing human workforce. Digitization is not going to replace human workforce. It is simply going to make those workers do work better, faster, and cheaper. In the same time slot, in the same time frame, they will be able to do more with much more enhanced quality. Okay, that's what digitization is going to bring. Okay. Next is it's expensive and requires a lot of resources. Yes, it does. When you embark on the journey, there will be a significant amount of investment that will be made. Of course, because when you digitize it, one of the important parameters would be information security. Okay, that needs to kick in right when you start. So as we cover the maturity model, I will cover that. Okay, but now as you mature along the curve, the cost will come down. And then in fact, if you are leveraging digitization to create new products, the cost will come down even further. So it all depends on where you are in the maturity of your digital journey. Third is digitization is a one-time process. It is not. It's thoroughly iterative in nature, and every time you digitize something, you will go through multiple cycles of iterations. You will tweak the processes, you will understand where the bottlenecks are, you will again remove the bottlenecks, measure the process improvements, and then repeat the cycle till the time you reach optimal levels, the way you had envisioned earlier. Okay. Then we say it's relative only for a select industry, again, which is not the case. I belong to BFSI segment. It's while I've seen digitization to the core from last 7-8 years, how MFI industry has transformed. We are in business of giving loans, so how the customer journey, how the sales journey, how the credit underwriting journey has changed over the last 8 years. There are few.
Everybody, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Dhrumil Dalal?